Although most reactions involve valence electrons, we turn our attention to nuclear reactions, processes that involve changes in the nucleus of an atom. These nuclear reactions are much less common than the chemical reactions that occur with the electrons, but still form a useful group uh, of processes with a wide range of applications. Um, to understand nuclear reactions, let's first revise a few definitions and the terms. First, the nucleus is composed of protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged and neutrons have no charge. What is atomic number? It is the number of protons in the nucleus. And what is atomic mass or mass number? It is the number of protons and neutrons. Um, Now, what is an isotope? Isotope are atoms of the same element having a different number of neutrons. So let's say we're going to take three different atoms of carbon, and uh, these three atoms of carbon have the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Let me explain this in a little bit detail. When we write down the symbol of an element like this, subscript and the superscript on the left side, this number represents Z, which is the atomic number. And what is atomic number? Atomic number is number of protons. So that means this has 6 protons. Atom is neutral, so if there are 6 protons, then there will be 6 electrons. And how many neutrons will be there? This number, which is A, atomic mass, is protons plus neutrons. So this 12 minus 6 will give you 6. So if you go to the next one, 6 protons, 6 electrons, and neutrons will be 13 minus 6, which is 7. 6 protons, 6 electrons, but the neutrons will be 14 minus 6, which is 8. So these three atoms are known as isotopes of carbon because these have the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Many isotopes are stable, but a larger number are not. So a radioactive isotope, which is also called a radioisotope, is unstable and spontaneously emits energy to form a more stable nucleus. So let me give you one reaction. For example, uranium, um, the isotope of uranium, this is very unstable and breaks down to form a more stable nucleus, or we can say this element thorium, and emits energy in the form of a radiation, which is helium particle or the alpha particle. So these are known as this is known as the nuclear reaction, where your unstable isotope is breaking down to form more stable nucleus, and in this process energy is emitted in the form of some radioactive particles.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.